Here is how you can automate text messages during random times on your iPhone. Well, what you're gonna do at first is to download a Shortcuts application from Apple. Like it's literally called Shortcuts. It's official from Apple. You can get it for free from the App Store, and chances are that you already have it on your phone. Now, when you get inside, what you gotta do is to tap on automations, and now you can basically select the create a new animation. So select the plus button and now choose when it's going to be automated, right? So you want to automate text messages, but based on what? Like based on the time of the day, based on your location when you arrive or leave it, or when you get a text message you want to send another one to like another person. There are many prompts, right? So let's say it's going to be time of the day and you choose it to be like 7:45 p.m. and let's say it's going to be daily. Then you're going to click on next, and now you're going to choose what exactly is going to happen at 7:45 daily. And since we want to automate text messages, you're going to click on send message. If you cannot find it, of course, just use the search bar or scroll through the apps in here, but just send the message. And now just type in the text, which is going to be, I don't know, like hello. And now you choose the recipients from, the contacts or whatever you find. You can see this is the contact example from my contacts app. So let's say this is going to be the one I choose. And now at 7:45 daily, a text message saying hello is going to be sent to this contact, right? So I guess this is the stuff that you wanted to achieve, right? So yeah, plenty of options in here. As you can see, you can not only send the message, but perhaps if you have a specific shortcut of what the message should contain, and you can script this, you can program it, you can go very deeper than this. So yeah, that's just how it works. And I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe below, and also let me know down below in the comment section what exactly you kind of think about it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.